Hi, I have something special for you today. Yeah, you. Today we want to be looking at homonyms in Igbo. Yeah, but I will be explaining it in English. What are homonyms? Homonyms are words that are pronounced the same way. Have the same pronunciation, same spellings, but different meaning. Same pronunciation, same spelling, but different meaning. Example, left. Left hand, on left, to go away. Another example is back, as in returning back from where you coming wherever, or you're behind, back. So what are the examples in Igbo? The first one is aqua. Aqua. Aqua is bed. Bed. Aqua. Next, aqua. Aqua egg. Aqua egg. Aqua, cloth. Aqua, cloth. And the next one, aqua, cry. Aqua, cry. Aqua, bed. Aqua, egg. Aqua, egg. It sounds somehow right? Aqua, cry. And aqua, cloth. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. If you miss some of the video, you can go back or just press the button sign for more, or you have any question, please do follow and ask questions. Thank you. See you.